Okay, so when you first open up MoviePlus, you should be looking at a screen that looks like this. Um, Down here, you see you have two options, timeline and storyboard. We will always use timeline in this class because it's just a much more powerful tool to use. The first thing you want to do to make a movie is you have to import some media, and it will show up over here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and you can copy from a device, capture, rip CD, but I'm just going to import a few clips I have on my computer. I'm going to go to miscellaneous county fair, and I'm going to choose 1, 2, 3. And I now have 3 film clips in here. Now, let's suppose I want to start with this one. If I double click it, it opens up a little video trim tool, and I can watch the whole thing. And I can quickly determine that watching a full minute of this would get rather boring. So I'm going to kind of arbitrarily choose to start there, arbitrarily choose to stop there, and say, okay. Now, the program keeps the whole movie, but when I drag this into my video track here, it will only show as much as I have determined. Now, to pull in another one, I simply put it here. Now, the cool thing is, if I want to, I can edit it like this and then drag it this way so that now if I hit play, kind of a lame ride. Anyway, you can do it from both ends, and we can very quickly turn this into just a short little okay. So I probably want to even get it even shorter, like that much. And then finally we'll drag this one in. I have no idea what this is. I think it's a duck race. Now, a couple of things to be very aware of. This right here. If I click linking and I select this, my video and audio are linked here. Okay, so if I unlink them, I can then delete just the audio. If I put that back, if they're linked and I pick this one and I hit delete, you see they're both gone. Okay, now what that does is it lets you do things like overlay the sound and get this kind of weird effect. Okay. We'll play more of that later, but for now I'm going to put that back. The other very important tool is this rippling tool. Basically what that does is if this rippling is on and I move the second one, it moves everything that follows with it. And I can drag it back. If I turn it off, you'll see that I'm actually overlaying this. I can now turn it back on, and drag it back, and here's the effect that you will see. Now you see there's this overlap right here. Let me zoom in a little bit to show you. That part right there is the overlap, and that's what you saw there. Now I can just pick this, drag it back, and that's about all for this lesson.